friends, I think we are here now in Spencer. And the river is very wide. My God, it's very nice. Maybe to you go first. One way ticket. One way.
Wow, look at that.
Look at that
right
river.
on the river.
Yeah, very nice.
It's very beautiful.
Yeah, you can just just
Park there.
float with your boat.
Yep.
There. Oh my God. Mangrove, oh. Maybe there's a lot of crabs there. So maybe it's not flooding here too, because there's houses.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
And
it's
there's just,
salty now.
Mangroves.
Mangroves is a salty water?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, mangroves there, eh? Oh, mangroves is salty water. Okay. Very beautiful. Oh my God. Thanks God. We came here. It's so heavy. We cannot lift.
Yeah, that was no good. It's
No
too heavy,
good.
far too heavy.
Why you don't have a smaller one or lighter?
No, well, to fit 2 people,
Oh.
I've got a smaller one, but maybe I should try it. Because there's another place
For sale.
but it's on the high side. Look, but nice.
Yeah, beautiful.
The view would be lovely, but the
Yeah.
access to the water is
a bit far. Yeah.
You wanna,
I prefer the one in the water.
Leave your crab pot and your
Our mangroves na, and those beautiful flowers. Oh. Like houses here are like houses of tradesmen and farmers. Oh, beautiful babe, bed. Maybe we can get the the slats.
Yeah, I'll have a look.
I need that one. Oh, houses na here. Oh.
Okay, so this is a bigger town, isn't it?
Oh, there's no Spencer or whatever here. Oh, there's OD.